How long am I going to stand here for? Oh. I'll be back for that one in a minute. Bosh. Don't fall over. Yeah, that was going to happen. Safety first. So this is the masterpiece, the Picasso, I can't think of any other artist. Anyways, we're gonna go cut that, terminate into the Henley block down. Metro sub-main board it's for landlords, so they can make sure their tenants are basically paying the price that they should be. I guess they preload it. They have like a serial number and a card, and yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's like a cool idea. But yeah, so that goes into there, that goes into our boards. If they pay the meter, the board comes on. If they don't pay the meter, the board don't come on. It's pretty simple stuff. 2 breakers, 1 power, 1 lighting, that's it. Surge protection, always protection first. And obviously the mains switch. So yeah, got a little bit to do here. Got to bring the 2 earths in. Got to bring the 2 cables in. Got to connect the earth up to my main. That is plan of action. That is job 1. At least get this on because it is dark in here, and that is main priority is lights. And I didn't bring any extra light with me today because I'm an idiot. So yeah, that's what I get as punishment. Ooh. And that one's got to be longer because that one's got to go there to there. Yeah. Right, fuck for that, Jesus. Oh, I've got a vice grip. Dirty. Rubbish over there. Bigger. Smaller. Need some new grips, I do. Always cut away from that with the Stanley blades because they scare the shit out of me. That's not because I work in London either, that I'm scared of knives. Oh, get off. Usually I'd put the shroud and half of the gland on first before I do this, but I've got these storm glands here and they don't like to stay still. Oh shit, that is long as fuck. Am I gone a bit mad there? Maybe. Oh God, just leave it. Tie wrap it. Basically, it's going to be a YouTube channel showing you that not everything is fucking perfect. I share the real stuff, the real life shit where you can't have fucking everything neat and tidy. But I will try. Tape. Where's the end? When does it end? Right, so this is where we're currently at in a minute. So terminate him, Henley block. Jesus Christ, was that tight? But the earths are on the back. Terminated into my Henley down into here. Bosh. MET done as well. Right, before I turn this on, I've got a light switch over there, which has been done in the 2-plate method, so I want to get that right before I turn this on. Well, I could just leave the breaker off, to be honest, and just button this up. Yeah, actually I'm going to do that. I'm going to button this up first and then I'm going to do that, so forget what I just said. Right, let me show you what I've been up to this past hour. So, 2-plate method done. Probably wondering why I've got 2 commons. That is because I've also installed an emergency light. Neutrals in the Wago, earths in the back box and the front plate. So what I'm going to do, screw this back now. We're going to do some live testing on it, make sure everything works. Well, no I'm not. I'm going to do a dead test first, then I'll do the live test. And then I'll show you the finished product. It's going to look like the 1980s in here with all the fluorescent lights, but we work with what we got. So these, stop saying so. These are the lights in action, right? They're currently off. I'm going to turn them on. I'll show you the final product of the temporary light install. Now, little disclaimer. I wanted to obviously put new lights in. The client doesn't want to put new lights in. They're all fluorescent. They're all old. Whether they worked or not before, I don't know. I'll be honest with you, I've already turned them on and they don't all work. It ain't all sunshine and rainbows here. It's more just rain, basically. But yeah, look, show you. So lights on. Ooh, couple for me. Right, you see that one behind me? Bosch, fluorescent, straight on, lovely. This one, LED. Welcome to the 21st century. This one here. How long am I going to stand here for? Oh. I'll be back for that one in a minute. Bosch. Fluorescent, but works. Starter, gone. Starter, gone. So, overall, 3 out of the 5 work. Has it lit the room up? Yes. Is it doing the job? Yes. Is it complete light in every single corner? No. Is it temp? Yes. I'm happy. And they're happy as well. So, can't complain. On to the next job.